I know this is a really lovely shot, but we're going to clean this toilet together. So I'm going to sprinkle in 2 things, starting with baking soda. Just kind of sprinkle it around. And you're also going to need about a cup of vinegar. So, and this is just distilled but cleaning vinegar. And that's going to give a nice little fizz. I'm going to take a brush. I just keep a reusable brush kind of back near whatever, behind the toilet, and then go to scrubbing. That chemical reaction is going to help to get things clean. It's going to freshen up your toilet, and you're not going to use any of those nasty, abrasive, and harsh chemicals that are found in other toilet cleaners. So, just a small sprinkling of baking soda, and then about a cup of cleaning vinegar.